What's going on, everybody? This is Travis from Carter Capital with another Forex Traders tip. Now, this is about evaluation, and I want you to be able to evaluate your trading, especially after you end up getting done with 10 trades. And the reason why I end up going with that is because we talk about win percentage all the time and strike rate and being able to gain for its overall compound interest. Now, the only way that you can be able to understand where you are when it comes down to that is by one, being able to evaluate your overall trades. Now, there's plenty of different websites that you can be able to go to that you can be able to plug in your MetaTrader or any one of your overall trading brokers, and it can be able to do all of that evaluating for you. So you can be able to see exactly what you are with real-time information that will end up telling you exactly how you are as a trader. And sometimes that's very important because you want to be able to get facts. You don't want to be able to just look at and say, okay, well, I won off of these trades. I lost off of these, and leave off the ones that you really end up blowing your account on. By being able to evaluate yourself, you can be able to understand where you at from a percentage standpoint and what you need to do for being able to trade your switch your overall trading style if there's something that you need to adjust. Now, understand this. We ended up talking about this before when it came down to win-loss ratio. If you are a swing trader, you're always trying to be in a position to where not a swing trader. Yeah, if you're a swing trader, you're trying to be in a position to where you're wanting to be able to win maybe 30 to 40% of your trades by being able to have a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. But if you go through your trades and you're only looking at seeing that you have a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, then that means that you have to be able to win over 40% of your overall trades, which is not allowing you to be able to have that growth inside of your overall account, and also being able to have that win percentage that you actually want. So let's say if you're a scalper, sometimes with a scalper, typically they go 1-to-1 when it means that they're risking $100 to be able to make $100. Well, you have to be a 60% trader to be able to win at that particular point. If you're not getting at the point that you think that you should be after evaluating your overall trading, then you need to adjust something inside of your overall trading to allow you to be able to get where you want to be able to go. And most of that really is being able to take trades that give you higher risk to reward, right? So once you end up evaluating yourself for when you end up taking your trades and how you end up taking your trades, and being able to see what your profit and loss actually is, then what you can be able to do is be able to adjust on what you're doing from there. Now, if I end up providing value for you in this video, because my sons are actually laughing in the background, please make sure that you end up liking, sharing, subscribing to everything that we have going on with the Carter Capital business page. Also, understand that we end up trading each and every morning from 8:30 to 9 o'clock. This is a live stream that's on my Facebook page, and it's going to end up being on my YouTube page. So please make sure that you end up hopping in with us so you can be able to earn while you're actually learning. Until then, I see each and every one of y'all tomorrow for a new Forex Traders tip. Take it easy.